Good morning, student. Today we are going to study chapter number 3, fiber to fabric. So children, you should know what are fiber and fabrics. Now, fibers are used to make yarn, which in turn used to make fabric. There are two types of fibers, plant fibers and animal fibers. Plant fibers are those fibers which obtain from plants. Example, jute and cotton. While animal fibers are those fibers which obtain from animal. Example, silk and wool. So now we will study about animal fiber wool. Some animals such as sheep have thick coat of hairy fibers on their body. It is called fleece. Fleece trap air. Since air is a bad conductor of heat, therefore heat does not pass from animal body into surrounding environment. This helps to keep their body warm. We obtain wool from fleece of sheep. The cloth made of wool keep us warm. Basically, the skin of sheep have two types of hairs, coarse bred hair and a fine soft under hair which is close to skin. Wool is obtained from fine under hair of sheep. There are some breeds of sheep which have only fine under hair. It is possible to produce organisms with desired characters by selecting the parent of similar characters such as soft under hair. The process of selecting parent sheep for obtaining special characteristics in their offspring such as soft under hair is called selective breeding. There are other animals too which provides wool. Example, yak wool is popular in Tibet and Ladakh. Angora goat found in hilly regions like Jammu and Kashmir, which provides Angora wool. Wool is also obtained from hairs of goats. The underhairs of Kashmiri goat are very soft. These are used to make fine shawls called Pashmina shawls. The hair or fur on the body of Angora rabbit are also used as wool. The animal called llama and alpaca, which are found in South America, have hair on their body which are processed to yield wool. Now children, we will study about processing of fiber into wool. The fibers obtained from sheep are not used directly for knitting sweaters or weaving shawls. It requires a long process which involves the following step: shearing, scouring, sorting, dyeing. Shearing is a process of removing fleece and the thin layer of skin from the sheep body. The layer of hairs of fleece are cut off by using cutting machine similar to that used by barbers. The hairy skin of sheep is removed in one piece. Shearing does not hurt the sheep because the outermost layer of the skin of sheep is dead. The shearing or cutting of hair of sheep is done in hot weather of summer so that sheep may survive without their protective coat of hair. The hair of sheep grow again before the onset of winter and protect them in cold weather. So shearing is not done in cold weather, that is winter season. The fleece or the hair starts growing after some days to obtain fibers. Scouring. The sheared skin along with hairs is washed thoroughly to remove dirt. It is called scouring. The fleece of sheep or cut hairs of sheep contain dust, dirt, dried sweats and grease. So the fleece must be cleaned before it can be processed into wool yarn. The fleece of sheep is thoroughly cleaned by washing with soap and water. The clean fibers are then dried and sent to factory. After scouring, the next step is sorting. In this step, the cleaned fibers are taken to factory where they are separated according to their texture such as length and color. The fine hairs are used to make clothes while coarse hair are used to make rugs. The small fluffy fibers called burrs are removed from the sweaters also. The next step is in processing wool is dyeing. The fibers are dyed, that is colored according to need. White, brown, black are the natural color of fibers. After dyeing, the fibers are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. This is how woolen yarn is obtained. There are two types of fibers, that is longer fibers which is used for making sweaters, and shorter fibers which are used for making woolen clothes.